It's hard to be all things to all people, but in the tire business, you're often asked to do just that. Tire manufacturers are feeling this too, as many customers are demanding tires that fit a wide variety of performance characteristics that they don't need to change between seasons. That's where the all-weather segment steps in. Let's take a look at how Hankook Tire has created one tire solution for any type of weather next.
Hankook Tire is a growing leader in the global tire market, leveraging investments in technology, manufacturing, and marketing to deliver high-quality, reliable products that are safer for consumers and the environment. For more information about Hankook's products, go to hankooktire.com.
In studying the market and consumer trends, Hankook Tire has developed a tire solution that can be all things to all people. Or rather, in a tire context, one tire for all types of weather, with the Kinergy 4S2X. Hankook believes that the purpose of the all-weather tire is to provide an all-in-one product that saves time and money for its customers. And that's what the Kinergy 4S2X does. With a cutting-edge design, the tire is not only built for stylish driving, it also reigns supreme in snow and wet performance. Let's take a look at the technology in the tread. The Kinergy 4S2X features a unique V-shaped tread design with well-connected grooves and 2-in-1 tread blocks that connect for enhanced biting edges and digging force. This helps the tire evacuate water and give high performance in wet conditions. Its serrated edge grooves connected to the tire's shoulder blocks to maximize the block's grip and enhance winter driving performance. A unique sludge edge located in grooves between shoulder blocks enhances cornering performance in snow, which aids in ride stability for drivers confronted with snowy or icy roads. 3D winter sipes are cut into tread blocks and serrated at the end of the tread to provide greater braking performance in winter driving. In addition to tread design, compounding plays a major role in tires, especially as compounds' properties begin to change at temperatures below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Hankook Tire has responded to this compounding challenge by providing the tire with its signature Aquapine compound technology, which provides high grip across a range of temperatures. This new generation compound incorporates high-loading silica and traction-enhancing additives designed to provide higher levels of traction across a wide range of temperatures and conditions. The tire's reliable performance in snowy conditions also earned it a 3-peak Mountain Snowflake certification for severe winter weather driving. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Hankook Tire is a growing leader in the global tire market, leveraging investments in technology, manufacturing, and marketing to deliver high-quality, reliable products that are safer for consumers and the environment. For more information about Hankook's products, go to hankooktire.com.